Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the newest generation of the Anking MCAT deck here within Traverse and hopefully show you how to use Traverse in the process. To give you some background, I am a pre-med student. I'm not an actual employee of the Traverse company. I just have found Traverse to be immensely helpful. And I used it to get a 523 on the MCAT, and I just found that it had so many more features that I was looking for in my studies. So hopefully today I can share some of those with you. We're grateful for the permission and collaboration with Anking to create this deck. So we'll hop right into it. For those of you who haven't used Traverse before, it has all the features of Anki. For example, you can get your spaced repetition flashcards right here. This has all of the flashcards for the Anki deck that you would have found originally in any Anki deck, but specifically for those based around the Khan Academy videos, and I'll show you why. And yeah, we'll just hop right into it. So Traverse is a basically a mind mapping plus spaced repetition software. So I just showed you how to use the spaced repetition, but let me show you how to use the mind map. So if you click on these dots, it'll open up into the mind map, and I love this. It's so nice to see things that are visual. Now, when you open up your mind maps, you can also click on nodes. And so nodes are the places where all of your information about a certain topic is stored. So that's really, really helpful, especially for medical learning, just because it's nice to know exactly where everything is. For example, here in amino acids, you have all of the Khan Academy videos about that. If you want to make more notes, you can click right here and write more notes. And that can just be extremely helpful. And you have all of your flashcards within the node. So you can study all of your flashcards for your entire deck up here, or if you just wanted to study the flashcards within this node, you can add it to your reviews. And then you can review all the flashcards here and in the nodes underneath. Just to give you a little glimpse, this hierarchy and organization is built from the Anking deck. But let's say you really wanted to get into amino acids, and let's say you wanted to talk about polar amino acids and nonpolar amino acids. You can do that by simply creating your own nodes. So this is really helpful, as you can tell, and it's really, really fun. Once again, if you study in here, you'll study every other card in here. To create cards, there's a couple ways, and I'll show you some of my favorites. You can just create a new flashcard here, or you can basically make your own notes and make it from there. So let's just say I'm going to go like this. This would be some information, and this would be some more information. If you go right here, you can create your flashcard, and from your notes, it'll actually populate with the other context around that, which is nice because now you can finally have context. You can delete that if you want it, and then you just say create flashcard. So you can see why that can be super helpful in basically taking stuff from the web, putting them into your notes, and then put your notes into flashcards. And now you can see everything visually, everything's in one place. And you can start to see why I just love Traverse. So that's how you create cards. If you want to move flashcards, right? So let's say I was in amino acids and I wanted to move flashcards over to the polar or non-polar amino acids, you would simply click on this card, and you can even do a shift click. Sorry, it's just loading real fast. But you can drag your card over into that deck, and that's super, super nice. Once again, you can remove from reviews. That's how you suspend cards. But yeah, that's how you do it. You can also edit cards by clicking on your card, and it will pull up edit card. So that's how you use Traverse. This is the deck. There's a lot to explore, so good luck. You can always look for help by clicking this button, but we hope you enjoy it. We're really excited about it, and we would love to hear your feedback. Thanks.